It's Monday and I open the curtain and Harry has got us into California. And Fred's representing Alabama today. Roll Tide. Harry has us traveling on 99 North. And everything seems to be going very smoothly. We had a little bit of haze, but it doesn't last very long. I even get to see some autumn leaves up here. Next we jump on 4 West. And then on 5 North. Before stopping at the Loews in Lodi. I take Fred out to stretch his legs. And that's pretty much a wrap. Remember, I'm doing a roll in the reset. Thanks for jumping in the co-pilot seat, Fred, but you can stand down. So Harry sleeps, and I get to sit and watch the sky turn some really pretty colors. Night falls, and Harry starts driving. We've got less than 200 miles to go to make this delivery. Then we just got to figure out how they're going to get us back east. Stay tuned.